Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how you can reset your Outlook password, but before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post something new. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go to your Google Chrome browser and then on the search bar type outlook.com. After that, tap on the first link that appears and then you can see the sign in button that appears. Tap on it, then enter your email address and tap on next. After that, you enter your password and tap on sign in. However, if you do not remember your password, the next thing you're going to do is tap on the forgotten my password option that appears below the enter password section. Then you'll be led to this page where you're going to have to enter your email account and then go through the captcha test. After that, you tap on next. Now here you'll have to verify that it is you who is trying to log into your Outlook account. Now you can see that there is three options in which you can verify that it is you. Either email your alternative email address or send a text to your mobile phone number or call your phone number. You can select any of these three. I'll tap on this one and then I enter my phone number. After that, I simply tap on text and then a verification code will be sent to this number that I've just inserted. As you can see, I have received my verification code. I copy it and then paste it on enter your verification code box and then I tap on next. After that, you can choose your new password that you want to set for your Outlook account. However, it must follow this given criteria, that is, it must be a strong password within the length of 8 to 256 characters and must have uppercase, lowercase numbers and symbols and cannot contain your username. So you go ahead and enter your new password that you'd like to set for your Outlook account. Now you go ahead and confirm your new password or retype your new password and then you can see that your account has been reset. So now what you do is you sign in with your new password that you've just set. You tap on the link that is provided to you, tap on click here. Now go ahead and enter email address again, tap on next and now enter the password that you've just reset and then tap on sign in. And then as you can see, I've been logged in to my Outlook account and this is how you can reset your Outlook password. If you have any questions still, let us know in the comments down below and thanks for watching.